basically, insulin growth factor, IGF, you alluded to, and then its receptors on cells, which are sort of ubiquitous on all cell types, and certainly the cell types that for which we've got epidemiologic evidence that those cancers are more common in the obese population. Basically, what you can say from laboratory data is that the signaling that happens through insulin signaling in cells, it's tightly tied to what we have kind of talked about already, which is that sort of growth factor receptor pathway. I mean, it is ultimately part of that sort of same biology. There's a pathway that connects those surface receptors into cells that then regulate sort of how the mitochondria act as sort of the power stations, if you will, inside of cells. So the so-called PI3 kinase pathway, well described as being a driver in cancer. That pathway is basically being chronically driven in that setting of high insulin levels, high insulin growth factor circulating levels.